Hello, my name is Jane, and I am the only daughter of my elderly parents. We live in a big house surrounded by a beautiful garden filled with colorful flowers. I don't have any siblings, so it's just me taking care of my parents. They have always been my everything, and I am grateful to be able to take care of them in their old age. Every morning I wake up early and start preparing breakfast for my parents. While they enjoy their meal, I wash the dishes and tidy up the house. Then I dust the surfaces with a clean cloth, making sure everything is spotless. After that, it's time to vacuum the floors using the electronic vacuum cleaner. Sometimes I even clean the carpets using a special spray to remove any stains. Once the house is taken care of, I move on to the garden. I sweep the floor using a broom and dustpan to remove all the fallen leaves and water the plants. I go back to the house and clean the bathroom, scrubbing the tiles and making sure it's sparkling clean. And then, I grab the mop and mop the floors with water, leaving a refreshing scent behind. I also do the laundry in the washing machine, and when it's done, I iron the clothes. My days are filled with these household tasks, but I don't mind. I love taking care of my parents and making sure our home is always clean and tidy. At the end of the day, I make the beds for my parents. It may seem like a lot of work, but it's all worth it when I see the smiles on my parents' faces.